Hey Emmett, so I'm going to give you this little quick video so you can figure out how to keep up with math and do your notes while you're at home. Alright, so the first thing I'll show you is you should have your notes that look like this. They're the paper version. They should be in your Avid binder, and they are 3-hole punched, okay? So they should be in your Avid binder. It's the one we're doing less than 1.1, so they should like this. I will point out, in case you lost those, I can always print an extra copy, or if you would go into Schoology, and I'll show you this part for a couple things, and you go into math, I do have a chapter 1, and you're going to want to look at this since you're at home. First, if you need any of the notes, you don't have them in your Avid binder, they're all here, the blank copies. You can get them and print them off or whatever you need. If after today's lesson you're still confused, I have 3 videos listed here in Schoology that you can watch, and they kind of help you. One is Math Antics, and one's another guy going through the same things without powers and exponents. And one's just an exponent song. It's kind of fun. You also have 2 games that you can play that match up with this lesson. Alright, so if you have your notes, you can go ahead and have these pulled up. They will match up with your big ideas. My screen looks different than yours, but remember right here you have that textbook and it says continue. If you just click on that, it should take you in your book. Just click this pink until you get all the way to all the chapters. You will go chapter 1, section 1.1, powers and exponents, and then you're going to go down to lesson example 1. Okay, now I can go ahead and X this menu. This should match your notes. So if you're looking here, this is key vocabulary right here. This is matching up right with this. So you can look at that. When you scroll down, example 1, writing expressions as powers, this matches up with your notes right here. So what I would ask you to do is when you go to fill out this in notes from example 1 on A, B, and C, just go right here, click play, and you can listen to how they teach how to do this. You'll hear it, and they'll show you examples, and you'll copy what's written there. After you watch that video and you complete those notes, you hit next, and you get your try-its. If you hit start, the questions that they give you and ask you to answer are the same ones that are right here in our try-its. So there's 4 problems. I want you to try those 4 right here. You'll put this in. I'm going to go ahead and show you this first answer. 2 times 2 times 2. You would say 2, and when you have to make the exponent, this is why I'm showing it to you, an exponent's right here. You have to click that so your cursor right here goes up to the exponents, and it's a power of 3. And I can check my answer and see I get it right. So I want you to do the try-its. Then I want you to do example 2. Once again, it matches up with your notes right here. Example 2, A and B. Watch that video, fill your notes out. You'll do the try-its, same thing, it matches up with your notes. The questions asking you to find what the value of 6 to the 3rd power is. And then example 3 also matches up with your notes. The try-it. And then that's where you can stop. You do not need to do anything else if it's not in your notes. In fact, I would stop our class. We stopped after example 3 and the try-its. We didn't have to do this key idea. When you're all done and you got those notes done, remember you'll go back in your big ideas. And for you, your home screen right down here, it says assignments and it says lesson 1.1. You're going to go ahead and get a blank piece of paper and do all your homework on there. If you have any questions, shoot me an email or call and I'll help you out. We'll see you later.